yeah. Don't take it so serious, sir. It's going to be a long night if you do. My name is Rob. We're going to do some comedy magic tonight. For those of you that are keeping score throughout the rest of the evening, everything you laugh at is the comedy. The other stuff will be the magic. By round of applause, how many people have seen me before? How many people haven't? Seems to be evenly divided. Now, the people that have seen me before, I know why you're here. You've seen me perform before, you're excited, you've seen something that you want to see again, or you want to see more of it. It's the people that haven't seen me that intrigue me. You see, magic means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. For some people, it's the grand illusion of watching the Statue of Liberty disappear. Others are here because they want to see the classics of magic. They want to see me saw a woman in half, or float my beautiful assistant out over the heads of the audience. For some of you, you may be thinking about close-up magic. That just unexplainable little bit of magic that happens right in front of your face, under your nose, sometimes in your own hands. I don't know what brought you here tonight, but if you just lower your expectations a little bit, we're going to have a great show. Anybody go to college out there? Anybody college graduates or anybody in college right now? Yeah, couple. Anybody studying psychology? You're like 3. I studied psychology when I was in class. My professor walked in the very first day with an experiment for the group. He had a little short rope, he had a great big long rope, and he had a medium-sized piece of rope. Class project. I had to make you believe that these 3 ropes are the same size. Are they? Yes. Yes, they are. They're all the same diameter. You guys were thinking, did I mean, are they all the same length? In order to do that, I could cut them off, but that's cheating. That's physics. Psychology is the study of the brain. I want you to think that they're all the same length. Now, in order to do that, if I bring the ends of the rope up to the top, by definition of the word equal, the ends are equal, the ropes are the same size. Is that correct?
Yes.
A couple of you don't necessarily, you're looking at the bottoms of the ropes. There's a really smart girl sitting about 3 rows behind me. She figured out if you take the middle of that long rope, tuck that into your hand, you now create the optical illusion of 1, 2, 3 equal middles, 6 equal ends, and for what it's worth, now the ropes are the same size, correct?
Yes.
Of course, if they really were, it would look a little something like this. That, of course, would give me 1. This is 2, and that's 3 equal length pieces of rope. A lot of times when I do this, people bust out into spontaneous applause. You have to remember, just because the ends of the ropes are all equal, just because the middles all appear to be the same, doesn't mean that they really are. I'm using your eyes to fool your brain. I do use 3 pieces of rope. I've got this little short one, then there's the medium-sized one, and finally that great big long piece of rope. Now the really cool thing is that if I put one of these balls in my left hand, one of these in my right hand, and I wiggle my thumbs, you will see one go up my sleeve, across my shoulder, down my arm, disappear from here, and wind up right over there. Now it's happening right in front of you. It's happening right under your nose, Tyler, but let's try it right in your hand. Take your right hand, hold it out, palm up just like that. Tyler, I'm going to place this ball here in my left hand. I want you to squeeze this one real tight. Wiggle only your thumb straight up and down. Can you feel that? Your thumb. Last year. Tyler, if we've done this just right, mine's gone. And if you will slowly open your hand. Haley, can I trust you with both of them? Hold out one hand. Which one do you want to use? I need you to squeeze both of them very, very tightly. Can you do that? Squeeze them both real tight. I need the finger. Hold it right there so everybody can see what's going on and don't move, okay? Haley, you ever seen one of those? It's the same thing, only it's invisible. A little harder to see, but a whole lot easier to carry. Now, if I take the invisible ball, Haley, and I squeeze it real hard, and I rub the back of my hand, that ball will now become visible. I can show it to you. If I wanted to. Haley, wiggle your thumb up and down. Remember what happened when Tyler did that? Mine disappeared. Ain't that cool? Apparently I'm the only one that thinks so. Haley, I gave you 2 when we started. If I really could make a third ball appear in my hand, we wiggled our thumbs and it shot over there, how many would you have? Very slowly. Open your hand. Count the balls. 3. Tyler, how old are you, bud? 10. You any good in math? Yeah. Tyler, I went to the carnival when I was about your age. I tried to win my girlfriend one of them little stuffed animals. You ever try that? No girlfriend or no carnival? No girlfriend. Your secret's safe with me. I won't tell a word. Tyler, the guy had 3 balls on the table. The first one he put in his pocket. He said we weren't going to use it anymore. The second one he put here in his hand. That's the one we were going to wager on. The third one he put with the first one in the bottom of his pocket. What I needed to do, Tyler, was tell him how many he had in his hand. How many? 1. It's a little game with 3 balls, Tyler. Let's try this again for you, Doug. Follow along. It's really pretty simple. You see, Tyler, the first ball always goes down in the bottom of the pocket. The second one goes right here in the hand. So there's 1 here, there's 1 there. This third one goes with the first one in the bottom of the pocket. So how many, Tyler, are in my hand? 1. No, there's 3, Tyler. I thought he was going to get it that time, Haley. I really did. Are you following along at all? Do you understand what's going on? Help him out a little bit here, okay? Tyler, do you have this figured out at all? Where does the first one always go? In my pocket. Very good, very good. Where does the second one go? I hear somebody out there whispering. Yeah, this is just for you. Tyler, this one goes where? In the hand. Very good. And the third one? In my pocket. So good. Tyler, 3rd time's the charm for all the cookies. How many? 1. Listen, if you're not paying attention, I'm not doing this anymore. Okay? Thank you very much. This is the trick that they all want to see. It uses 1, 2, 3, 4 stainless steel rings. Now the reason I perform this trick is because about 10 or 15 years ago on television, the Masked Magician exposed the secret. He told you that the rings would link together and that they would form a chain. And that there was a cup, there was a hole, there was a slit in every one of the rings, and that's how the magic happened. You guys that are sitting right up close, can you see the holes in the rings? No? Right here in the middle. Otherwise, it's a pizza pan. It changes everything. Now, what he didn't tell you was where the magic was going to happen. And it's going to happen right here. Right at the bottom of the ring. Not here at the top, but right here at the bottom. And it's going to happen on the count of 3. So you know what to look for, the hole in the ring. You know when to look there on the count of 3. And you know where to look, right here at the bottom. Now knowing all those things, I'm still going to fool you. Watch carefully. That's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. Solid through solid, 1 ring inside the other. I can do this till you applaud or throw money. We'll try it again. That's 1. That's 2. Solid through solid, 1 ring inside the other. No. I want it from the heart, or not at all. You know, if you don't like 2, maybe if I did all 4, I'll find out a lot more. The old guy that taught me this trick said if I really wanted to impress my audience, I should take 1 ring on the bottom, make it go through 2 rings in the middle, and join the one on the top. I've done this trick for over 20 years. I can make it happen really fast. You can play games with the rings. I like to play charades. You guys know how to play charades, right? It's a game where you can't talk. I play with my kids all the time. This could be the letter O or the number 0. Maybe it's the porthole in a ship. If you're old enough to remember Romper Room, I see Greg and Mary Ann, Vernon and Waylon, and I'm showing my age. It could be the number 8. If you're a math major, that's an infinity sign. If you're sitting way in the back, it's a big pair of glasses. My favorite is Mickey Mouse. Now I'll change this into another Disney World character in one simple move. That's Minnie Mouse. Laughs, or the jokes aren't going to get any better. I'll expect that. That old guy that taught me this trick used to finish by making a big long chain. Now I'm not an old guy, so in the middle I take mine apart. That's 1, that's 2. I'll tell you what, let me try it here at the top. That's 1, that's 2. I've never liked this trick. What's your name, dear? Kelly, can you stand up right there where you're at? You take one step up on the stage for me if you would, please. That's perfect. Kelly, I want you to pretend that this little spot right here, where the rings are linked together, I want you to pretend that that's a candle on your birthday cake. Can you do that for me? Right here where the rings are linked together, that's a candle on your birthday cake, right? What do you do with the candle on your birthday cake?
I blow it.
You blow it out, huh? What do you do right before you blow it out? You make a wish?
Yes.
I want you to make a wish. Don't tell me, but just make a wish. Have you got one? And right here, where the rings are linked together, pretend it's a candle and blow. I hope all your dreams come true too, guys. Before I let you go, I'd like to share one last thought with you, and this is something that I've learned throughout my years planet Earth here, and that is, as you go through life, every now and then life is going to toss you a bunch of lemons. The best thing that you can possibly do with all those lemons is make lemonade. I hope after seeing my show you know how to do that, right? You grab a handful of lemons and you give them a great big squeeze! My name's Rob. Thanks for coming out, guys. Enjoy the rest of your night. Thank you very much. See you again sometime. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.
It's pretty funny. It was good.
It was a lot of fun.
Oh, it was good. We've seen him perform before, but so we made it a point to come see him.
Awesome.
It was good.
Oh, it was good.
Yeah?
Good for the kids.